Hello, welcome to our movie again. So today I will talk to save the search. So which is function inside the bliQ from long time ago. It's just because the limited time in my training, normal training, I don't have time to cover that. So I thought maybe it's good to create a movie for that. So by the way, 日本語の皆様にお知らせなんですけれども、これ日本語のはすでに日本語の方にもアップしてますので、よろしければそちらをご覧ください。So sorry, just direct the Japanese user to the Japanese one. Okay, so where can you find the search? Actually, whenever you open the search tab, it's already there. It's one of the three menus on the top on the right hand. That's the save the search. And today we're going to talk about that. So why do you need that? Actually, whenever you can save the search, so you can recall that anytime you want. So for example, you created something a couple of days ago and you save that. And today you want to create another group and you kind of, well, wait a minute, what condition did I put in? And you can recall that and do the comparison and maybe recall that as a reference. So those kind of things kind of bring a little bit convenience to you. And obviously, once you save that, for example, you got a call for a meeting and you got a long call to come in. So right in between that, you're doing some search inside bliQ, you can just save that. And whenever you come back, you can pick it up from there. And third one, which is I think is very good, is once you save that, you were asked to set alert at the same time when you save any searches. So that means once you set that, whenever there's any update toward the database, you can receive the notification. You don't have to come back to check inside the bliQ to see any update comes in, and you can just wait until the email notification reach you. And then lastly, which is I think is fantastic, I think everyone should use this functionality for, is it's not just you can set your saved search condition toward the back. You can actually save that onward toward the future. And this is what I want to show you today. So let me switch my screen to the bliQ. Okay, so I already set it for the search tab. And today we would like to focus on the office hardware. So I'm in office hardware and I will probably reset any history I might have. Is this okay? Okay, so I have reset it and have the Singapore as the sample countries for today's movie. So say, for example, I am interested in any copier or MFP, which should be newly launched to the Singapore market. So I check the copier. And maybe I only want to watch what Canon and what Ricoh, for example, are being newly launched, put into Singapore market. And you can, for the speed, if you want, you can specify any speed ranges. You can do that yourself, and you can also select. So maybe I'm interested in some of those fastest MFPs, say 41 to 69 ppm. And then for the paper size, we can say the A4 and A3. And what is important is here, intro date. So we click on that. Start date, we put it today, December 14th, 2022. And when to end, you can do, because the Japanese fiscal year ends in March. So I put it at March 31st, 2023. So it's in the future. And you just set go. And obviously you will know results will find because we set it for the future. So what you need to do the next is that this icon here is the little floppy disk, and you click on that and ask you to name this new group that you created. So we say that from 41 to 69. Oh, was there, huh? Canon, Rico. Oh, I just click that then. Group until next March. And then when you want to be notified, I want to be notified when any new move being happened to this group. So just click that. And then click save. It's done. And how to check that or manage your saved search? That's when you need to click here. You click on Save Search on the top. And here you go. All those is saved search. And the one we just saved come to the last. And you can see the details here. So the Singapore market, and we want to see any newly published or launched copier or MFP from today until end of March. And here's the speed ranges from 41 to 69 and A3, A4 boats. And it notify me when any new items being added to this searched group. And then, you can just, whenever you receive any email notification, you will know some new device being launched into Singapore market that matches your condition. So that's very simple, but I think it's very convenient. Okay? Okay, so I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Thank you. And I'm happy to receive any requests. If you want for any new movies or ask me for a private training for your team, just drop me a line and my email address here. Thank you very much.